Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey friends, welcome back to the Ditch the Classroom podcast. Today's question is one that I got over on TikTok. If you're not already hanging out with me over there, come and join us. I post a lot of fun videos and I just love connecting with y'all there. But today's question is, how can I make more money as a teacher without having to get another degree? You guys, I don't want you having to go into even more student loan debt when you're trying to figure out what you want to do with the rest of your life outside of teaching. So my number one answer for you is to become a virtual assistant. Could you have guessed that? Probably. So many businesses out there are willing to hire beginners and even train them because one, maybe they're new, maybe they want to pay, someone who's new versus an expert because an expert would charge more. So they might be willing to, train you in exchange for being able to pay you a little bit less. They also might already have systems set in place that they just want you to go and implement. Typically, as an expert virtual assistant, you charge more when you're actually setting up the systems for your client. But if they already have systems in place and just want you to implement, they probably want more of a newer virtual assistant and they can pay you less. You don't have to have experience to become a virtual assistant. You guys know this. I taught kindergarten. I taught 5 and 6-year-olds how to stand in line and use glue sticks. And I found my clients, and so many of the teacher turned virtual assistant students have found their first clients without any experience. So it is totally possible. Now, it does take a little bit longer sometimes, but that's okay. You just got to keep that consistency and you will find them. Businesses want teachers. They want the support of teachers. We make great virtual assistants because we have the willingness to learn and the ability to figure shit out. We do that every day in the classroom, and we can easily apply those skills to helping businesses. Okay, so I want to invite you, if you are ready to take that first step into becoming a virtual assistant, come and join us in our free workshop. It's happening next Thursday, April 13th. And we'll be covering the 5 P's you need to know to become a successful virtual assistant. So you can find that at arianavernier.com/free-workshop. That's arianavernier.com/free-workshop, or I'll have the link in the show notes. All right, y'all. I love you so much. If you have any questions you would like for me to answer here on Quick Tip Thursday, come and drop them in our free Facebook group. That's facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom, and I would be more than happy to answer it for you. All right, friends, have a great week, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.